Hello busy people, welcome back to my channel. We are going to prepare fish cutlet and these are the Bhetki fillet. Now we have to smear this green paste evenly over the fillet. Let's see the green paste preparation. We have to paste these ingredients. We can add little bit water for the paste preparation and the salt as per your taste. Now we need to coat the fillet with these breadcrumbs by adding some extra amount of green paste for the better crispy and crunchiness. After the coating is finished, keep them for 30 minutes. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Links given in the description.